Hey guys, I've literally recorded this video like 20 times now. It's getting a little frustrating. But hey YouTube, I will do it again as many times as it takes before interruptions stop and I actually have a clear somewhat head. I don't like to over script my videos. So yeah. Anyway, so as you guys knew from my last video, there was a small fire at the house, at my mom's house. Microwave got burned up. It caught on fire. Thankfully, no real damage anywhere else. But here's what's kind of funny. You know, they were offering $99 and they would come and install it. And I'm like, you know, I ain't going to pay no $99 for someone to install something. So I went and bought me a stud finder because I have one somewhere, but who knows where the hell it is. So I got two of them now. Bunch of drill bits because I don't know if mine are dull or not dull, rusted because, you know, I've been driving a truck. So, and a 1.5 inch spade. All of that almost was $100. So, you know, I could have paid somebody to come out and do it and not have a hassle with it. But now I have $100 worth of tools that I didn't, well, I did had before, but now I have twice. And having extra tools is never a bad thing. Dr. Pepper, you should just go ahead and support my channel as it is. I drink enough y'all's products. But the other thing I want to talk about, as some of my sharp eagle eye viewers will notice, I'm not in my semi-truck or even in my my Dodge truck that I got, my 06 Dodge. This is like a 2002 or 2004 or something, I don't remember, Chevy Trailblazer. And what's funny about this vehicle is I actually sold this vehicle 4 times. 3 of the times it got repossessed. 1 of the times it was actually traded in for a better vehicle that I had for sale. So this vehicle's been in and out my door a few times, but I'm now going to keep it until it gets run into the ground, and even still then I might fix it because I'm in this car for exactly that much money. I do got some repairs I gotta do on it soon, so if I do those repairs I will, you know, throw them up on my YouTube page and you guys can kind of watch. But for me to be able to do that, I gotta get that garage, you know, cleaned out or done. I also have to get the maybe buy some property and put a garage on there. I don't know, but I got projects that I need to try to do, but everything takes money, and with the repair that I'm doing at the house and all the fishing stuff that I bought for my niece and nephew, which was not a whole lot, mind you, it was not a whole lot, but fishing stuff gets expensive. And this microwave, it just all adds up really quick. So yeah, it's going to be a long one. So I found out that Quentin, my number 5 student, had upgraded today. Flew with flying colors, passed everything, no problems with the backing, the driving, nothing. I'm not surprised. You know, he was ready to go. He's going to try to go home. And then he's going to be coming back to the Temple at the Walmart there. So he'll be in my videos off and on. So that'd be really cool. He was a really cool guy. So I'm gonna, like, you know, catching up with him every now and then for food or fishing, hunting, whatever. And I want to try to get some hunting videos. Next time I can go hunting. It's been a while. I've just been way too busy. But going back to this vehicle, before Quentin, my mind, trust me, like I said, I've been doing this video so many times, I'm kind of losing track of things now. But I got another vehicle I might be picking up that I've had. It was back in 2015. I bought it from somebody. A company didn't do what they were supposed to do. Everything with the crap. And it's been in a court case. It's been in this. It's been in that. And there's another legal battle going on about it. So it may end up costing me some money, but I might end up just buying the vehicle back from that other party. I kind of went over my buy notes on it when I purchased it. And I think I want it. It's a pretty cool vehicle. It's a 2001 Excursion, or the, not the Explorer, but the other one, Expedition. Excursion or Expedition. It's one of those, but it's a 4x4. So, it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. Not super expensive, but still cool. If I get it, I'll be doing a lift on it, mud tires, you know, all that kind of good stuff. So I guess you guys could just keep watching. You know, if I do, you know, grab that, I'll do some videos on it. When I get done building it, I don't know, I might sell it and buy another 4x4, because I like building. I like making things. So I might get it done, play around with it a little bit, and then sell it, or maybe a prize for my YouTube channel. I don't know. A raffle, maybe. I haven't thought about that yet. That was not in any of my other videos, so I'm really gonna have to think on that one. But there's some cool things that could be done with that. It'd be a pretty cool beach vehicle if I take it down and I leave it down near one of the beach lines, or leave it up in Temple and just take that down to the beaches or something. Especially if I'm towing a boat or something behind it, which I don't have right now. I wouldn't mind a boat. But, yeah, so a lot of things could be happening there. A little bit later on today, I got a couple of tow trucks coming. They're going to be picking up some vehicles that I have here. I'm done with them. Can't afford to really just have them laying around any longer. So I'm going to get them put out. And I got 2 semi-trailers. He might buy them as well. Might not. Don't know. If he doesn't buy them, I'm going to take photographs of those and maybe a video, and I'm going to put them up on my eBay, because they got to get, you know, moved out. You know, I'm paying storage on them, and I just don't have use of them right now. So they got to go. I feel like I'm selling a lot of the toys that I had. It's kind of sad. You know, I had a Harley. I sold that. I had quite a few cars. I've been selling quite a few of them. I think I am going to keep this one, like I was saying. But you know what? I'm selling a lot, but I'm putting money in the bank. I'm making good money. And, you know, we're going to move on to bigger, better projects. We're going to start doing some smart investing. I've said investing a few times now, and I have not come up with, I haven't done any of the videos. Please bear with me. I will start doing them. I've just been so, like, fuddled-minded, guys. It's been really, really busy. But I am going to start getting those videos, you know, going and get them uploaded. I still got to get videos off my old YouTube channel, which I've now shut down because the way the YouTube policies have changed. Instead of trying to have 2 channels, you know, where that one was all automotive and then this one was just like more like a vlog, I'm going to kind of just have this be like, I guess, a slush type A. So I ended up spending all day yesterday, Sunday, with family, fishing. I barbecued, or grilled up some hamburgers, some hot dogs, hot wings, things like that. I got some video of that. I didn't really take a whole lot because, you know, I was spending time with the family, and I don't know if my family wants to be on YouTube or not. So I really didn't want to put them on it and then them be upset. Alright, got some burgers on over at the lake. I don't know if my family would want to be on video, so I'm going to keep them out. There's my Trailblazer, and got some of the fishing tackle box stuff out that you guys saw in the picture that I put out at Walmart for my nephews and niece. We got some beer, you know, hey, you're at the lake barbecuing, why not? Got some hot dogs in there, some pineapple, fresh pineapple. I just got it cut up, sitting in there. And right over here on this tree, I got my Essie knife, new model to me. I will be doing a video on that, and then I got a spatula right here just hanging up. So yeah, not a bad day at the lake. I'll talk about things that happened over at the house, that little fire. It actually wasn't as bad as what I thought it was going to be, so yay plus. Anyway, I'm gonna finish up that beer and grab me another one. Those were the two cars at my house. They're about to pick up that one, and then this Buick Century behind this mobile home. And right there, they're about to take that one. Old car. Actually, it's not that bad. And they're going to take that one. I was going to rebuild this one. It's a 4x4. I just decided not to, I guess. These are my two semi-trailers. I'm about to take photographs of them. Probably going to put them on eBay. Oh, that was the car I was driving earlier. So I'm probably going to throw these up on eBay. As you see, they're real straight. I've had them on and off Craigslist, but I've only had low ballers. So, I mean, they're damn near perfect. So I already opened up the back door. Anyway, that's going to be the end of this video. Please like, rate, subscribe, and comment, and whatever. I am going to have a small video attached to the very end of this, so stay tuned and watch that. It's super short. Anyway, see ya. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. And adios, amigos.